Hi everyone, welcome to another video, and today you're going to unbox Montana Eau de Toilette. Montana Parfums d'Homme, whatever. So yes, I had a little haul, if you've seen my last video, of 3 fragrances. Probably ain't going to get much else for a good month or so, but we'll see. Montana, I don't know really much about it, to be honest. I just seen the bottle, thought it was interesting and different, and I like different, unusual sort of bottles. And you know, it was cheap, and it was going to be a throw-in with some slightly more expensive ones. So we'll get on with the unboxing. So I hope you're all doing okay and enjoying your fragrances, or whatever you like to do with your spare time. So if I can, give me a second, I'll there we go. Alright, so the box, it's a red box with, well, almost like the bottle picture on the front. Nothing really else, bit of information, batch code and that on the bottom. I'd have thought, yeah, typical sort of stuff. Okay, and you've got a French inlet on the inside, quite a sturdy one by the look of it. And then a little peek right there. And then let's get into this. It's awkward. Right, so as you can see, yeah, I mean, it's different. I like different. Doesn't have the name anywhere apart from on the bottom and stuff. General. And I like that. It's like a clean look to it. It's unusual. It draws your eye. Like, oh, I can see it's probably a cheaper fragrance. But it intrigues. You know, it's something a little different. And cap is plastic, obviously, but it's quite rock hard. I mean, it's lightweight, but it's really hard, so that's not bad. I don't mind that. And sprayer, so I don't know really what it is. I don't know what type of fragrance it is or anything else. And beware if you're doing an unboxing, especially right out of the box, brand new, the scent might need time in the bottle. It might spray it on myself, and that's disgusting, or it didn't smell much of anything. It could very well do so. So that's the sort of thing you might get out of a fresh bottle, but we'll see. So I'm going to spray this back of the hand and see what we get. I'll do it on camera. Nice healthy spray. Ooh, straight away just from here, a fresh sort of almost physialdehyde kind of smell. Very fresh, bit citrusy, lavender like. Oh, I really quite like that. Even I haven't even put it up to my nose yet. Oh, that's really nice. Yeah, that's pretty good actually for the money. Excuse me. This one, quite strong, quite aromatic. I don't know how long this one would last on the skin, but it smells relatively strong. It's projecting. I mean, I put okay, I put like 4 or 5 sprays or something on to see what it's like. But initially, very pleasant to the nose. This is going to be like a real nice mass appealer. It's clean. It's got a freshness, like a lavender type freshness. Little hints of sort of herbs in there, but very fresh herbs, not mint. Actually, that it's actually pretty nice. The opening into that is really well done. I'm actually quite impressed, considering, you know, like, it doesn't get any play anywhere. it's one of them. I thought, you know, I like the bottle. It's a little unique, it's different, and it's cheap, so I'll take my chance, you know, as you do with these sort of things, these blind buys and stuff. And actually, that has actually impressed me a fair bit for the money. It's just you've sort of, I would say you've sort of smelt it before, but it's fresh, clean, lavender-ish, like bit citrusy, herbs. You know, your sort of general mass appealing, easy to wear kind of thing. But it's actually quite got a potency to it. I'm quite impressed. First impressions, I'm actually quite impressed with that. And as long as the sort of longevity and is okay, you know, 3 or 4 hours, I'm okay with a sort of freshy take to a scent. I would happily rebuy just off the scent as of right now, but we'll see what it does on the skin over time, and then eventually I will give you a review on this one. So let me know in the comment section if you've tried Montana Diom. I don't really know anything about it. Some of you might do. Is it a classic or what? I'm not 100%, but at the box I think it's actually smells pretty decent. So leave a comment in the comment section if you know anything about it, because I certainly don't. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Would really help me out. And hopefully I'll see you again soon on the next unboxing. See you later.